Hi, this is the Poco F5 Pro and I'll show you how to switch on and switch off screen touches and screen recordings on this device. So first let's open the settings, then scroll down to additional settings and tap to screen recorder. Here you'll see show touch gesture switcher and show button tabs. So just to activate or turn off these options, you should use these two switchers. And also you could launch screen recording settings by another way. Just open first the control panel and find screen record icon. So just hold it for a while and after that you'll see the same screen recording settings. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.